Hi team, today we're going to make pandan oil. As you can see, I'm showing you my big pandan plant. Also my other plants, this one my mother-in-law gave and my husband taking care of it. And also that my small pandan plant, I reported from this plant, so now it's all big. So hari ni kita nak buat pandan oil untuk kita letak dalam candle kita. Okay, so that it will smell like pandan. So I took a few stems ke panggil ni, whatever. So mula-mula kita basuh dia, kita take a few helai of daun pandan and then we chop it small like this. Okay, dah cantik basuh, and then I would put it in this processor so that boleh chop it more fine. Saya akan jadi serba macam ni. Okay, lepas tu kita akan guna grapeseed oil. This one I bought from Shoppee, the same as I bought from the peppermint oil. So sebab nak buat oil ni, yang sis tengok kat YouTube, dia kena dia ada base oil. So I'm using grapeseed oil as the base oil to make my pandan scented oil. So we put in the pandan yang kita dah chop tadi. So macam minyak tak cukup, kita tambah lagi minyak. Tambah. Okay, kita double broil it for some time. So after dah broil, tengok the daun dah layu sikit, so should be fine. So we strain the daun because we only want the oil. Okay, so kita strain the daun. Push. Bagi minyak dia semua keluar. And then you will get the oil. Dia macam adalah bau pandan sikit, sikit. But you know, we'll see how it goes when we put it into the candle with the wax. So now let's make our candle. So this was after a few days. So melt the wax to make the candle. So just nak tengok whether it will work or not. So I get ready the tins and then kacau the wax so that it will melt. This one is using one full bag, so you can get 2 tins lah. Okay, so pour the hot wax carefully into the tin. Okay, so put in another tin. Okay, carefully sis. Okay, now we put in the oil. So for the oil, I put in a few spoons. Okay, letak dalam 3 macam tu dah kot. Kita tengok bau dia ada ke tak nanti. Semua tak hati nak agak first time buat. Okay, lepas tu kita masukkan oil dia. Dia ada bau-bau pandan jugalah. Okay, lepas tu tak cukup, lagi. Okay, kita letak a few pieces of the dried pandan leaves gitu. Nak macam hiasan lah kan. Hiasan sikit-sikit hiasan. Tabur-tabur sikit. Okay, lepas tu penuhkan the tin with the wax. Okay, penuhkan.
Moments later.
Okay, so candle dah keras. Dia ada macam kuih taco vibe sikit. As you can see, sedap weh kuih taco ni. Wow. So lepas tu ada I want to do pandan and peppermint pula. Sounds like a good mix. So I melted the wax and I put in the balance of pandan oil sebab nak habiskan the pandan oil. Okay, so just put everything in because I wanted to habiskan. Banyak jugalah dapat. Buat sikit pun dapat banyak jugalah. Bolehlah buat 4 candle. So imagine if I made all the ones that I chop into oil. Okay, and then we put our peppermint. Put in the peppermint. Letak sesuka hati anda. Letak je. Okay, kau banyak aku letak peppermint tu. Kan bau peppermint yang lebih. Okay, so kita letak our nice pula dah. Our pandan leaves for decoration, aesthetic purposes. And we finish up the wax. Oh yeah. Okay. So now it's all hardened. So I have 4 candles. 2 is just the pandan and then 2 pandan. Okay, hi. So it's the next day already. Let's take a look at our pandan peppermint candle. So I want to light it up. looks okay. A bit messy, but I made a mistake, so it became messy like that. Sorry. So overall, the pandan smell is not ada kat situ. Maybe I need to put more in, so I need to make more pandan oil, but the peppermint yang overtake. So regardless, I had fun. Okay, bye.